Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python tutorial. So in this video, we are going to discuss about some complex concepts. Okay, maybe concept is bit complex, but the solution is very simple. Okay, so I have a literal. Okay, so for example, I have a word and it contains some hello Python. Okay, so here there is a need. So I need to find out what is the index of my P or T or H. Okay. So what I'm basically trying to say you is if you want to get some index of a particular uh, character or particular word, you can do it with the help of the index method. So let's do it. Let's find out the index of O. Okay, the index is always starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me print index. The index has to be the keyword, the value, I mean the variable dot index and the character or string. Okay, so I'm going to use O. So let's see what happened. Okay, so the index of O is 4. So let's see how it is possible. So H place of the 0 and E1 and L2 and L3 and O is the position of 4. Okay, so you can use something like that, or you can use something like th. Okay, so there you can find out the index of the th as well. Okay, so either way, when you have a lot of kind of the paragraph kind of data, so you can easily provide input as a string, that means a word, and you can find the index of it. Okay, okay, so let's try with some, because in other languages you can have something called substring. Okay, so you have some value or you have some string and you know take out the specific data. Okay, or filter some data in the string. Okay, so basically here I have a word called hello and Python. So I'm going to extract the Python from the word. Okay, so and I'm going to set a sliced word. The way how I'm going to do that, so we have a uh, functionality where we can provide this is my starting and this is my ending, and this is my the way of the process has to be done. Okay, so I have a word I can mention. So if I'm going to do some substring, so I'm going to take out the Python. So I need to provide input what is my index of P. Okay, and from here up to which character you need to specify that, and then the end of the step. Okay, so whether it has to go one by one character or multiple characters, that we need to specify. If you say in the simple way, we can simply say a word and something called start and end and step. Okay, so basically this is my variable, and in this variable I am going to pass three parameters to take out the specific word. So what is the starting position and what is the end position and how it has to increment. Okay, one by one or the specify two characters or three characters that we need to specify. Okay, so I'm going to take out the Python alone and I'm saving into the sliced word. Okay, that's a variable. So I'm going to use the variable names word. So what is my starting character or starting letter? Index. So I'm going to take out the Python. So up to starts from P and ends to N. Okay, how we are going to do that? Okay, let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and space including 5 and 6. Okay, starting is 6 and ends with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, okay, ends with 11 and one by one. Step is one by one. Okay, let's print the sliced word. Okay, let's see what is the outcome of it. Save it, run it. See what is happening? Python. Why is NS missing? Because the end index is up to. Okay, so if you provide 11, it will take up to n. if it is up to n means it will take up to pytho. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to provide 12 here. So let's run this. See, now we got the whole word as a Python. Okay, you might be asking, okay, so you have the word here, so you just counted the data and provide the information. Okay, in case the data has been fed from input request, so how are we going to do that? Okay, so for that we are going to see a specific example how we are going to slice, getting some information from the user and slicing the data and separating into the separate field and displaying as a single string or displaying as some random value. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, let's do that in the next video. In this video, just make sure that's the only thing. Okay, the 6 is the starting letter and 12 is the up to and 1. You might thinking what will happen if you put 2 here. Okay, run. See, starts with the index 11 p and y is missed out. The reason is 1 and 2 up to. So it will take 2. Then it will take out o and it will take o. Okay, so basically it will skip 2 letters. Okay, so when we start, for example, our word is Python, so it will take p and it will skip y up to t, so it will take p, t, and it will skip h and it will take o and it will skip n. Okay, so we'll get pto. So this is how it will work. So when we put 1, we won't skip anything, we'll increment all the single characters. When you put 2, it will skip 1, 2, and when you put 3, it will skip 2 letters. Okay, if you want to try, you can try, just try with some bigger words. So it will be, see now, only p and h. P 0 1, so it's missed out, so t, and then 0 and 1, so third is nothing, so it's on. Okay, okay, so just give it a try and let me know if you guys have some clarification, or else there is a similar way also, there is other way also. So we can simply say print of word and you can provide the data something like this. It has to start with 6 and I don't want to provide any end character here, so I keep it as an empty and then keep like this. See what happened? Still it's take the whole word. The reason, okay, the reason is starting character 6, I don't provide any end character, so that means it will take the whole word from the starting. Okay, or take out this, ends with 6. Okay, let's see what happened. Save it and run it. So when I do that, it will, we don't provide the starting character, so it will take from the 0 and the end is 6, so it take up to 6 characters. Okay, so this is how it will work. So there are some other scenarios. Okay, kind of reversing the data. Okay, so what you can do is simply print word, and what basically you can do is I don't want any start character, I don't want any end, and step instead of some data give -1. It will reverse the data actually. Okay, just save it and run it. See, it reversed everything. Okay, so in the next video what we can do is we'll ask the user some information and we'll split the slice the data and populating some different string variables. Okay, let's do that in the next video, and meanwhile you guys just give it a try and let me know if you guys have any clarification. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.